Hi guys, today I want to discuss something that I've personally seen and witnessed, and research actually backs up. Studies have consistently confirmed that the differences between men and women are not just biological, but they're also influenced by a complex interplay of factors. And I want to talk about them. Now, when we talk about relationships and more specifically infidelity, things get really interesting. Men and women tend to have distinct patterns when it comes to cheating. They're playing by different rules in the game of love and betrayal. Picture this. Robert is a man in a successful relationship with a woman of high social status, Angela. She's ambitious and independent, drop-dead gorgeous, and successful in her own right. But here's the twist. If Robert were to cheat, chances are he would do so with a woman who, in society's eyes, may be considered of lower status and notoriety compared to Angela. Now, this might seem extremely illogical to Angela. How could he possibly step outside their relationship with a woman seemingly beneath her in terms of education, achievements, and social status? But it's biological to Robert, because while Angela has everything going for her, she lacks the basic necessities that comfort a man on an instinctual level. Then there's Katrina, the other woman. Now, Katrina doesn't have that same long list of accomplishments, high social status, and impressive educational background. Hell, she is not even as attractive as Angela is. But she excels in providing emotional support. She'll make him a nice meal after a long day and offer a listening, non-judgmental ear. She provides him an environment that's peaceful instead of combative and stressful. Her actions reflect affection, patience, understanding, and love. But the way Angela sees it, he abandoned what they had for a woman who's basic. But to him, he has found a treasure that supplies him with the basic necessities all men desire. Two interpretations of basic, two distinct viewpoints. And this is also why I say the whole shift to being independent woman is more for women than it is for men. As women gain greater independence and status, their perspective on relationships undergoes a transformation. They start to see a man who was once considered an equal partner as no longer measuring up, almost as if he's become an accessory rather than a companion. Men tend to view commitment and emotional investment from a different angle. For them, it's about knowing that they matter on a deep emotional level. But women, especially independent women, tend to focus on their partner's financial credibility and success in relation to their own. It's almost like they're conducting a financial audit of their relationship. And unfortunately, this is praised and encouraged by society. That's why you'll find today's society will bash a man who leaves a woman who held him down, but praise a woman who does the same, because for a woman, it's seen as a level up and not a betrayal. Now, this might sound controversial, but it's a reality that we all need to explore and understand. It's not about labeling anyone as right or wrong. It's about delving into the intricacies of how gender biology and societal norms shape our perceptions and behaviors in relationships. Because only then can we start to actually fully, truly understand each other. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.